The sensory screener is a pre-referral screening tool designed to help teachers, therapists, and parents identify behaviors that may be related to a student's sensory processing. To access the tool, select the sensory screener button from the main menu. When you open the tool, you'll see a list of behaviors that may have sensory underpinnings. Simply scroll through the list and select a behavior you'd like to explore. Once selected, you'll be taken to a page that provides information about possible reasons that the behavior may be occurring. This includes sensory processing differences related to specific sensory systems, as well as possible connections to motor planning, emotional expression, or communication. Below that, you'll find a curated list of sensory strategies that can be tried before making a referral for a comprehensive occupational therapy evaluation. Each strategy includes a label in brackets to show the general purpose of the strategy, such as regulation or support for sensory-seeking behaviors. To select a strategy, just click on it. When selected, a yellow check mark will appear to the left of the strategy. If you're the screening occupational therapist and you don't see a strategy that fits, you can also add your own custom strategy in the field at the bottom of the page. Once you've selected the strategies you want to try, click Print Selected Items. This will generate a shareable data form that includes the selected strategies along with a simple form for tracking data during the pre-referral process. From there, the form can be printed, or you can click the Share button to send it via AirDrop, email, text message, or through other platforms that your districts may use, such as Microsoft Teams. Each behavior in the tool has been individually researched and references are provided in AMA format. At the bottom of each behavior page, you'll find the corresponding reference list, and you can access the supporting research by clicking the Digital Object Identifier link below the citation. If a behavior is not currently listed in the tool, users can click the Request Behavior button to email me directly. Requested behaviors may be considered for future updates after they have been researched. It is recommended that anybody using this tool consult with an occupational therapist who has postgraduate training in air sensory integration throughout the process. This helps ensure that behaviors are interpreted carefully, strategies are selected appropriately, and supports are matched to the student's individual needs. The goal of the sensory screener is to support early collaboration, guide thoughtful strategy trialing, and help teams make more informed decisions before moving to referral.